So today at the Graceful Garden, we are creating a tea bag for microorganisms. This is going from the um, solid microorganisms to being able to spray them on our fruit trees. And this video is how to make a tea bag for the liquid microorganisms. So first things first, you want to bag decent Sacco. What this is going to look like is similar to what you can imagine in a teacup. So first things first, we have our solid microorganism barrel right here, and we want close to a gallon of solid microorganisms. So we're going to get that out. I like using this little shovel because it's really nice and convenient to get in there. And when we're doing this, we do not want to loosen more than what we're going to use, because these are living microorganisms similar to what's in the forest. And the more that we disturb the mycelium that's in here, the likelier they are to die quicker. So that's something that we don't want to loosen more than what we're going to use. And also what we have here is rock dust. We're going to put some of this in here. Probably like a quarter, like a pint of rock dust. And really cool. Alright, we are pausing this broadcast to fill another barrel with water. So we are, I think, close to having a gallon of that in here. The solids. Get a picture of that. So that's about a gallon, and this is really beautiful because if, for example, you have a disease in the greenhouse, for example, that the bugs are eating the kale leaves and you want to keep them from eating the kale leaves, you can go and collect kale leaves that are infected by the bugs, and also the bugs themselves, and you can put them inside of this tea bag. And what that's going to do is be similar to the antidote of the bugs and the disease that's on the kale. So it's a really relative mixture, and there's a lot of variables that you can. This is like the fundamental recipe that I'm sharing here. So basically, rock dust and the solid microorganisms. So, and what we're going to do now is we're going to get a string over here. And here's the tea bag. So we're going to drop this guy into this barrel right here. It's a little full, but that's alright. It's just going to be a little bit of a challenge in the beginning. And then we're also going to add a gallon of molasses to this. And the molasses are going to activate the solid microorganisms. So with that, actually one more thing, or a couple more things. This is going to be available to use in 3 days, and you want to have it used within 30 days. So that's the timetable to use it. And every time that we come out here and to use it, we want to mix it up, to stir it, just to stir the tea. And in 3 days you're going to have something that you can use as a sprayer and create some really happy plants. Thank you for watching the creation of the tea bag, and that's the end.